Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to semester 2 if you're on this side of the world. So I know right now we are all very stressed, very overwhelmed with the amount of due dates that are being thrown away, with the amount of projects and tasks and readings that we have to do. I know I literally just have a headache right now just thinking about it. So in this video, I'm just going to be giving you like a 5-step plan on how to organize everything so that you're not overwhelmed. And I'm going to be introducing you guys to a platform called Lecturio, which has been a game changer with all my university revision and just trying to get everything organized. So to begin with, we need to gather our supplies. You're going to need your module schedule, which is all the different topics for the week and your due dates. Then you're going to need a monthly calendar and a weekly planner. These can be printed or online. Google Calendar is a great platform to use. Then you're going to need your highlighters or your pens. I like to assign each different color for each different module so that it's easy to mark your different schedules. So now that you have your supplies, what I first like to do is I will look at my module descriptors, and then I take all the big tasks that are due. So that's your tests, that's your projects, and then I jot them down on my calendar. So by the time that you're done, when you have all your assigned projects and assignments on here, it should look something like this. And then I like to have this on the wall in my room so that when I'm studying or I'm doing homework, I also have this to look at. So once you have this done, you need to sort of extrapolate it so that it's simplified in a weekly planner. So for example, I've got a psychiatric test on the 17th. That means at least a week before that psychiatric test, I need to schedule it on my weekly planner to go through the material and to study. So it's almost like working back, where you've taken your semester modules, you've put them on a month-to-month basis, on a week-by-week basis, and then you can also simplify it even further so that it's on a week-by-week basis. This just makes it easier for you to keep track of everything that you are meant to be doing. So now when it comes to all the stuff that you're meant to be doing on a week-by-week basis, we're going to be discussing about the different topics that you need to cover. What I like to do is then I'll take each topic per week and then I'll put it on my weekly planner so that I know in advance what topic am I meant to be covering that week. So at this point, this is where I come to Lecturio. So Lecturio is a very useful tool for medical and nursing students, as it allows you to prepare for your weekly lessons, to prepare for your tests and for your exams. It provides you with an array of different nursing topics that are coupled with videos. You've got question papers, you've got quizzes, and you've got even the PowerPoint material that the professors in the videos are speaking about. You might have seen a few of their videos on YouTube, but they also have an online platform, and on their platform they've got this really cool feature which is known as the study planner. So with the study planner, you look at the different topics that you have, as we have noted from our module descriptor, or on a week-by-week basis. So you go on Lecturio, you find the different topic that you want to cover, and you can set a deadline by when you want to have this topic covered. So for example, I've got psychiatric nursing on a Monday, and I like to go through the material by Sunday night so that when I come back to Monday, I already have the information from the previous week and I'm starting Monday on a good note. And on each topic, there's usually about 10 to 12 videos that are about 3 to 7 minutes long, so it doesn't take you that long to review, and it sets it up for you so that you know how many videos you're meant to be covering on a daily basis, so that you make sure that you've covered the topic by the time you have set your deadline. And the way it's set up is so great, because as we know as nursing students, when you're covering any topic, you need to know the etiology or the cause. You also need to know the risk factors, the signs and symptoms, the pharmacological and non-pharmacological intervention. And Lecturio has set it up in that way where you're able to follow step by step, and it's simplified and explained really well. And another great thing that you can do with this platform is you can use what is known as their learning paths. So you can take your different modules and the different topics that you have, and you can select them on the Lecturio app, and you can create a deadline for when each topic must be covered across the semester. So you can create a learning path for that 1 month, and every single day it can give you the topics that you're meant to be covering for each different module. So you literally plug and play, and it sets it up for you so that every single day you've got a reminder of the different topics that you're meant to be revising for all the different modules that you have. And this has made my life so much simpler because I set it up and it tells me every single day what am I meant to be reviewing. It makes my planning so much easier, and I don't even have to think about creating a study plan because essentially it has created that study plan for me. And the great thing about this setup of Lecturio is I can watch each video, I can interact in live discussions with other students around the world. I can also make notes while I'm watching this video for easier review, and also I can get the notes that the lecturers have made on the specific topic. So if the notes that you have in class are not enough, Lecturio actually provides you the notes that the professor is speaking about. And at the end of each video, there's a few questions or a few quizzes that you can get, and at the end of each topic you can actually get a question bank where you can answer all the questions related to that topic. And before your test, you can actually select all the questions from the different topics that you have created, and you can even create a test for yourself where you can set the timer, how many questions you want, and it gives you the setup that you would get in an actual real test to prepare you for your test preparations. So this has really been a great tool that I've been using to just help me to organize myself so that I don't stress myself trying to come up with a study schedule of when am I to be doing what. I just plug and play, tell it when the deadline is, and it creates everything for me. So if you'd like to interact with this platform and use it for yourself, you can go down in the description box. There's a link that you can use them, and you can use my code Silibaziso20 to get 20% off the monthly and the yearly plan. So definitely go down in the description box and get yourself that premium option. So until next time, have an awesome one. Bye guys.